Hey guys, today I'm back in the garage with these beautiful motorcycles and I figured I'd make a video of me working on my Sportster 1200. It's been a while since I've worked on her and I finally unpacked from the move. I've been having some trouble with my running light and brake light not working on this LED tail light, so I figured I would take a look at the work that the previous owner had did to it. The only light that works on the tail light is the license plate light. When I opened up the taillight, I saw that there was plenty of solder joints that the previous owner had done. Right off the back, nothing really caught my eye as something quite obvious. I was a little concerned about the solder joints, so I pulled out the all-reliable multimeter to see if I was going to get a battery reading for the wire that controls the running lights. And as you can see, I was getting a clear battery voltage of almost 12 volts. Figured I'd go ahead and check the connectors. I did notice there was a lot of gunk buildup, so I used contact cleaner to clean it up, which cleaned it up pretty well, but that didn't fix the issue. So I didn't film this part, but I did take a voltage reading at the solder joints to make sure I was getting power past the connector, and I did get that almost 12 volt reading. However, I figured I might as well clean up the solder joints that the previous owner did. Resoldering the joints didn't change anything, and I did read online that sometimes these aftermarket LED light, their boards go bad, causing them not to fully work properly. So I went ahead and ordered one off of Amazon. It was only 20 bucks, and lo and behold, it did fix the problem. I have my turn signals working again, and my brake lights working again. So it was a rather very easy fix, and the only issue was just that the board had went bad over time. Now, I figured I would add this bonus material for those who are curious how to make your motorcycle run faster without doing any motor work at all. So, I learned through experience that having a nice little good luck charm makes a huge difference on the speed on your motorcycle. Mine had fell off, so I figured since I was already in the garage, I would go ahead and fix it with the almighty Gorilla Glue. It's said that adding a good luck charm adds more horsepower to when you most need it, so it can be at any rev range. So that's the cool thing about it. And I'm being 100% serious with you guys. Now my Sportster is ready to get back on the road without having the risk of being pulled over for no brake light or running lights. I do plan on making more diverse content besides motorcycle reviews and covering pros and cons. So feel free to subscribe, ring that notification bell for future upcoming content. But for now, y'all ride safe, and most of all, I really hope y'all have a great day.